Baozi Training Leetcode solution. If you want the best mock interview experience in North America, feel free to check us out at baozitraining.org. We're here to help you land your next big offer. Today, we're going to talk about this Leetcode problem, Leetcode 75, sort colors. So the problem is given an array of n objects colored red, white, or blue, sort them in place. So we have to understand what is in place sort, which means we don't need an entire extra space to sort it. We just basically sort it in place utilizing the existing space, no extra space. Well, I should say you could still use constant space, but not like linear extra space. And also some other concepts you can check yourself. What is a stable sort versus non-stable sort? Irrelevant. So that objects of the same color are adjacent with the colors in the order red, white, and blue. Here we will just use integers 0, 1, 2 to represent red, white, and blue. So essentially this is basically giving you three integers, and then they want them to sort those three integers together. And if you know this, you will know this by nature is called a Dutch national flag problem, because the Dutch flag has only three colors. You want to sort by those three colors. And the thought idea is actually quite simple. The first one came into mind is definitely the counting sort, which means you just need to count how many zeros, how many ones, and how many twos, and then you repopulate the entire array. And what this problem wants you to do is, okay, this is straightforward. Can you do it with only one pass? Okay, let's just challenge ourselves. How do we do in one pass? If we're gonna do it in one pass, there's no fancy way other than keeping different pointers and keep swapping. So the idea is actually simple, from 0 to 1, from leftmost to rightmost. If it is 1, you're just passing because 1 is in the middle. If it's 0, you always move to the left. If it's 2, you always move to the right. Of course, you will have two pointers to keep track of the left and the right, and you keep shrinking the left and the right. It's like a window shrinking. Okay, let's talk about implementation. The first implementation, the two-pass one, is relatively simple. Do some sanity check, allocate an array of 3, and counting the values, and then repopulate. So as you can see here, the time complexity is still O(n), because first pass that what you are counting is n, and then while you're doing these 3 loops, repopulating the array, the 3 times n equals to 4n is still O(n). So an extension of this problem is, okay, how about instead of 3 colors, now it's a flag of, I don't know, basically has more colors than 3. How do you do it? So you just need to extend this array, and then this will be k times n, time complexity. Space-wise, is I would say still O(n), because this is still constant space. It doesn't increase with the array's size. The one-pass method is here. So actually, I attached Leetcode official solution. It has a very good animation. So the algorithm works like this. So start from the left and left. If you see a 2, you always move it to the bottom. So you move it here. Your pointer is still here. If you see 0, you continue. And 0, you continue. You see a 2, you move it to the right part, because your right part is already shrinking here. So you see a 1, you leave it alone. So that's it. So this is purely an implementation of that part. So do a while loop, 1 case, 0 case, and 2 case. Time complexity O(n), space complexity O(1), relatively straightforward. And there it is. Leave any comments if you have any questions, or give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Baozi Training channel. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time.